Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how to copy files in Python. Now, the modern way is to use shutil, shell utilities, and pathlib. And shell utilities can use path as a Python 3.5. Now they have two methods for this, copy and then copy to. Yeah, I know it's a little dumb that they put in to, copy to. I'm not really sure what that's about, but the bottom line is that you use copy to if you want to have the metadata copied over, whereas copy will preserve the permissions. So in this, I'm going to import shutil, and I'm importing path from pathlib, and then I'm going to create my two paths, the from path, the to path, and then it's just simply pass it in shell util copy from path to path, and bada boom, bada bing, I now have a copy of a file that exists. Now, the older way doesn't support pathlib, but you can just write it out so that you actually put the actual string with the different paths in and then run your shutil copy, and that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and then hit like down there because it helps me build an audience, and I'll see you in the next one.